Hey everybody, I am Surbhi and you are watching Key Differences. In this video, I am going to talk about the differences between money market and capital market. So friends, without further ado, let's move on right into our video. Money market. Money market is a market for financial assets that are close substitutes of money. Close substitutes of money means any financial asset that can be converted into cash quickly within the minimum transaction cost and without loss in value. Further, it is a market for overnight to short-term securities which have a maturity period of 1 year or less. So, it is a wholesale market wherein dealings in money and near money takes place, which makes it a highly liquid market. In this market, buying and selling of securities in large denominations takes place in order to reduce the transaction cost. It has no physical location, rather, it is an activity that is carried out over the phone. After the deal is set on the phone, written confirmation takes place from both the sides via email. It constitutes all the organizations and institutions which deal in short-term securities. It is an important part of the financial system that brings together investors, that is holders of loanable funds, and borrowers, that is users of such funds, so that both the groups can achieve its objectives effectively. The securities traded in money market include treasury bills, certificate of deposit, commercial paper, commercial bills, zero coupon bonds, and money market mutual funds. This market is regulated by central bank. Coming to the participants of money market. The major participants of money market are central bank, discount and finance house of India, commercial banks, financial institutions, provident fund, insurance companies, mutual funds, corporations and individuals. Coming to the functions of money market. Money market acts as a balancing mechanism to even out demand and supply for short-term funds. It provides reasonable access to lenders and borrowers of short-term funds to meet the requirements at an efficient price. Talking about capital market. Capital market is a market for long-term debt and equity instruments. Here long-term means greater than 1 year original maturity. These long-term securities are created when companies and government raise funds for their capital requirements. Central Bank and SEBI regulates the capital market. Here you should note that capital market is the barometer of the economy that indicates the macroeconomic affairs of the country. Further, a strong capital market represents a healthy and growing economy. It comprises of new issue market, that is primary market, and stock market, that is secondary market. Primary market is the market where securities are offered for sale for the first time, as against secondary market is a market where existing securities are traded. I have already created a separate video on this topic, so you can watch that video for more clarity. Now you must be wondering what are the instruments dealt in capital market. So, capital market deals in shares, debentures and bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, derivatives and public deposits. Further, the major participants of capital market include individual investors and institutional investors like financial institutions, banks, corporate houses and foreign investors. Talking about the functions of capital market. Mobilizing long-term savings in order to mobilize long-term investments. Lowering cost of transactions and information. Facilitating trading in securities like shares, debentures, commodities and other financial assets, assisting in the process of price determination through demand and supply forces, enabling settlement of the transaction as per fixed time schedules. Coming to the difference between money market and capital market. Money market is a market that deals with monetary assets. For supplying short-term finance, it is mainly a source of finance for working capital, whereas capital market is a financial market for buying and selling securities. It is a source of financing capital assets. Investment required. In money market, huge financial investment is required because money market instruments are quite expensive. Conversely, in capital market, less investment is required because price of securities is generally low. While money market deals in treasury bills, call money, commercial paper, commercial bills, certificate of deposits, etc., capital market deals in equity shares, debentures, bonds, preference shares, commodities, derivatives, etc. Term. In money market, the securities are bought and sold for 1 year or less. It is a market for short-term loanable funds. On the other hand, In capital market, securities are transacted for more than 1 year. It is a market for long-term funds. This is because money market supplies funds for financing current business operations, that is, fulfilling working capital requirements. As against, capital market is a market that provides funds for financing fixed capital requirements of trade and commerce. Physical location. There is no physical location of money market as transactions takes place over the phone, whereas there is a specific physical location of a capital market, wherein trading between buyers and sellers takes place. Liquidity. When it comes to liquidity, money market instruments are highly liquid because Discount and Finance House of India provides a ready market to them. As against capital market securities are liquid because of the existence of a stock exchange, but comparatively they are less liquid than the money market instruments. Talking about the risk involved, money market instruments are safe due to shorter duration and credibility of the issuer. Capital market instruments are riskier both in terms of return and repayment of the principal. Next, return on investment. Return is low in money market because of shorter duration of the investment. Return is high in case of capital market. This is because of the longer duration of the investment. So friends, this is all for today. I hope the concept of money market and capital market is clear to you now. However, if you want to study the topic further in detail, you can visit our official website, that is keydifferences.com. Here you can find a detailed comparison of money market and capital market along with their definitions. Links are also provided in the description box below. So guys, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please do give it a thumbs up and share it with other people. Also, if you are new to this channel and wanna get more such useful videos, consider subscribing the channel and also hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button so that you are notified every time whenever a new video is uploaded on this channel. And if you have any queries or feedback for me, feel free to leave in the comment section below. Until next time, this is me Surbhi signing off.